warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, me and my friends has made me and my friends have made a structure of a heart. So now I am going to give the explanation of this. The human heart is a four-chambered muscular organ, shape and size roughly like a man's closed fist. It is situated 75% the left side and 25% the right side. That is like this. The heart is enclosed by a pericardial sac. The heart it is divided into two halves, that is the right hand side and the left hand side. The right hand side is responsible for pumping the deoxygenated blood to the lungs, and the left hand side is responsible for pumping the oxygenated blood all around the body. Now the internal cavity of the heart is the right hand side and the left hand side. The right hand side includes the right atrium and the right ventricle. Left side includes left ventricle and left atrium. The chambers are separated by four halves, that is the tricuspid, the pulmonic valve, the mitral valve and the aortic valves. Now the largest artery of our body is the aorta, that is also called as Shahra in Urdu. The main high pressure is connected to the left ventricle. The main pipeline of the high pressure is connected to the ventricle. Now there are three layers. The inner layer is called as epicardium, the middle layer is called as myocardium, and the outer layer is called as endocardium. Now the further part will be explained by my friend Asad.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. As we know, there are four chambers in our heart. That is right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. On right side, we have superior vena cava from upper part of the body and inferior vena cava from lower part of the body. We have pulmonary veins in right atrium. Right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from right lungs and pump into the right ventricle. Tricuspid valve open and blood come under the right ventricle. The right ventricle receives the blood. Then the pulmonic valve open and means of pulmonary artery, blood come under the left lung where the blood gets oxygenated. There are two pulmonary veins in left atrium. Left atrium receives the blood from left lung and pump into the left ventricle. The valve open and blood come under the left ventricle. The left ventricle pump oxygenated blood to the rest of the body, and aortic valve opens and oxygenated blood pump all over the body.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A heart attack occurs due when the flow of blood to the heart is blocked. The blockage is mainly made up of fat, cholesterol, and other substances. The blockage is in the arteries, which can form a clot to block the blood flow. The blood flows in our nerves at average speed of 5 liters per minute. And when there is a clot formed in arteries because of pressure, a person can feel pain.
Symptoms of heart attack. The very first, you will feel pain in third finger of your left hand. Common heart attack symptoms: a pressure, tightness, or pain, or a squeezing or a itching sensation in your pain or arm that may spread to your nerves. Abdominal pain, shortness of breath, etc. First aid for the heart attack is: if you suspect you have heart attack, don't be panic. Give medicine like nitrogen or aspirin. It helps to thin the blood, and do hospitalize the patient as early as possible. Jazakallahu khairan.
My name is Sharik. I am from class 10B. Electricity has an important place in modern society. What constitutes an electric current? Let us study more about it.
और ये भी बोल सकते हैं.
Electric current. An electric current is a flow of particles flowing through wires and components. It is rate of flow of charge. If the electric charge flow through the conductor, we say that there is an electric current in the conductor. In the circuit using metallic wires, electrons constitute a flow of charges.